Grace here. Welcome back to Brown Noodles. Today I'm going to be trying to replicate this picture. Wow. I just found this on Google. So I have my handy dandy paint palette. And of course, we have our paints. Our paints, guys.
We gotta have some paints.
Let's get started with the satisfying part of our video. I can't get it. Scissors. Ooh, scissors. Ta-da! Look at the beautiful white surface on the easel. Wow. So satisfying. Okay, let's get squirting. The light green, the slightly darker green. This screen hasn't been opened. How do you open this? Well, do you like it? Now we have our blue sky. Next we have black. What? Was that oil? Oh my god, it's oil. Ew. See, it's like pouring. Oh my god, don't. So we'll just use liquid black. It'll be fine. I found this hidden treasure. I found metallic paint.
Metallic?
Wow, it's metallic. So we're gonna use it. The hole is so small. There we go. Now we have some brown. Our palette is here as shown. Wait, I forgot brushes. Okay, so I got my brushes now.
So this is me just starting. I was a little scared when we started, to be honest. Like, I was like, oh my god, I painted a blue square. So then I was doing the foam, kind of like dotting around. And then I finished, and then I got some of that iridescent shiny stuff. I put it in the waterfall. And then I found a cup of water, which was my dad's, but it was consumed by my paint. And then I just started kind of blending it into the water so it looked like water, because you kind of need water. So I used the giant brush that I had to make some cliffs on the side, I guess. I guess they're cliffs, like dirt mounds a little bit. Whatever. So just, you know, doing my dirt mound cliffs. So once I finished with those, I took my brush, I did some like vine things. So like they started at the bottom of the water and then they kind of like grew up the hill. I think those looked pretty good, to be honest. I was pretty proud of those. So I was just like kind of dotting, like pew 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 pew, just kind of doing that. So then I did the water once again using my humongous brush. My mom got me a paper towel because the brush was so wet. So then I dipped it in the sparkly metallic blue. It doesn't really look metallic, but I really like the color of it, so that was a plus. I only ended up painting the side of the canvas on one side, So off camera, I painted the other side of the canvas. So next I added kind of a reflection of the waterfall, I guess. It's very subtle, but I used the sky blue to make a like reflection looking thing. And then I added some trees. I used like the brown and I made like stick things, kind of like chopsticks, and then I put like all these green strokes coming out of them. It was actually really calming. I used all of the greens that I had, so I started with the medium green, and then I added some dark green and then some light green. And that's how I made the trees. So I did these on both sides. It was quite fun. Speaking of trees, while you're in quarantine, make sure you see some trees because they're interesting. So I finished off the trees and I thought, well, I'll do a bridge because I didn't really have anything else to like put there. It looked kind of empty. So I added a bridge in between the two sides over the waterfall. I think it looks pretty nice. Then I used that liquid oily black to make some like streaks in the sky. Very subtle, but yeah.